And just like the last year, we have the new Boxtime 640, and this is the smallest variant with the pop-up roof installed. And we shall be looking at the starting price and also the final price for this model. So we are starting at 67,330 with the final price 79,937. Well, we can check the technical data and get the understanding that we have a 540 Fiat Ducato Campervan with a pretty interesting layout. So 193 per 139 per 120 for the back bed, and also the optional bed in front. But yes, we have the pop-up roof adding 2 more spaces for sleeping. And if we enter inside, we can check we have the tower fridge mounted in the front part, and this is the part where I really like. This part is not so wide, but it's pretty okay because you retain much more space inside for the actual cabinets. And if we enter inside, we can check the Fiat Ducato Stuttgart chassis with the actual manual. There is a pretty great skyroof, and they incorporated this great lightweight material all around, slightly plastic foam. Small cabinet there, small cabinet there. One cabinet here, not so deep, but with the lightweight material. And if we check on the upper part, we have a large double bed on the pop-up roof with pretty great mattress. Going down, additional storage right up there, and a pretty great wide sitting area right here. Going on this part, we get the standard 2 gas burner with 3 pretty large cabinets. Let me check. Yeah, they're pretty large. So cabinets not bad at all. And then from this part we have a large but not deep cabinet with the pneumatic controller for the fridge. Then going on the back part, we have this new styled showroom. Actually pretty good. It's not wide, but it's perfect. That for cassette toilet. We have actual sink, and when you want to take a shower, you just rotate this part like that, and then you have much more space to take a shower. Not bad at all. This new design is pretty great. Something to check on for hanging, and then the back bed with just 2 cabinets, one part here and on the other part right up there. And if we measure the actual bed size from this part, we are looking at about, let me check, 1.4, and from the lower part to the actual window frame we are looking at 1.2, and on the widest part we are looking at about 1.891 of bed size. Not bad, not wide, but well, you can get along pretty great. And then going on the back side, we shall be checking this actual pretty wide storage space all around there. And well, we can try to take some more light and check on the widest part. We have about 1.159, and on this part, on the widest part, we have 1.177. And if we are looking to the highest part, we're looking at 0.729. Not bad for a smaller family of 3 or 4 going around for their weekend and holiday trips. Let's finish off with this Boxtime 540 for the 2026.